Hello again from Brazil. I'm very grateful for the number of people who have been sending in email asking about the free course coming up. I love teaching the free course because it makes me stay on track for my own goals. More people ask questions, and questions are the leaders of thought. They often bring out answers to things that I've been thinking but haven't put down in words. Later I can transcribe those videos and add that to my book as well. So I've set myself some goals and did a backwards calendar from the launch date of the free course on May 15th all the way back till now, and subtracted out the days where I've got other things planned and laid out what I want to accomplish and prepare before that free course is open. So be sure to go over to Digital Currency Traders and sign up for the free email list. You'll get some teasers and some information about the course that's coming up. And I'd be very grateful to have your replies to some of those questions that I ask inside those emails, because it's going to help me produce the course that's going to really be beneficial for you specifically. So thanks again for those email and those questions. It's a real inspiration. Even though my channel is very small, I appreciate having the audience.